Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or modify the location name in Oracle Linux 9 operating system using hostnamectl command. So if your computer in located in different geographical location, you can identify your computer by setting this location name. So let me type the hostnamectl command. So here you can see that I did not set any location. So this is the command used to set the location. So hostnamectl space set hyphen location space Chennai. So I'm giving the location name as Chennai. So see here, location name is got updated. So you can give any location as per your needs. Okay. So you can also modify the location or you can remove. Okay. So now I am removing the location name. So this is the command to remove. So empty double quotes. So you can see that location name is got removed here. So anyway, I need one location name. So I am putting back another location. Yes. So new location is got updated now. So this is the way we need to set location name in Oracle Linux 9 operating system.